Hey everyone, Charting Man Dan from ChartGuys.com. You know, behind every single video that we put out every single day, there's a wonderful community of traders that we want to invite you to be a part of. Try the free 7-day trial and gain access to our live market broadcasts every morning and afternoon, interact with hundreds of like-minded traders, or take part in one of our dedicated chat rooms, each led by an analyst that's there to answer your questions in real time. Our trial is risk-free with absolutely no commitment or credit card required to experience the TCG community. For those looking for a head start in technical analysis, check out our entries and exits course in the link below in the description. Get up to speed with the fundamentals of TCG technical analysis and experience over 5 hours of great community-driven trading education. Checking in on the technology sector, XLK Apple Facebook daily weekly time frame, and XLK bulls continue to lead the way extremely strong. It was the tech sector that held up the S&P 500 today. Financial sector tried to drag it down. The tech bulls would not let it happen. They knew we had Amazon and Google earnings coming up. Both of those ended up being bullish reactions. Tech sector is on fire still. New all-time high, and we're probably going to hit a new all-time high tomorrow with this reaction to Amazon and Google. So 54.28 is that high, riding the upper Bollinger Band 4 days in a row. We're looking to do it again tomorrow. We have to update this level, excuse me, at the open. And we'll have to watch to see if we can continue to close above this upper Bollinger Band and remain in breakout mode. This is an ideal chart for the bulls. There is no indication of any weakness, and we have a new higher low of support to be watching, the low of yesterday. And whenever I'm looking at support levels on the way up, I'm looking at the red days, because the red days are the days that the bears had control. And then the low of those red days is when the bulls said, okay, we're done here. We're resuming the uptrend. So the low of the red day here was 53.97. As long as we hold that level, the bulls remain extremely strong on this chart. So you can see here we had a big bull breakout. We had this low of this consolidation. So I look at the bottom of the red candlestick. It's more meaningful to me than the bottom of this green candlestick because, again, that's where the bulls said, all right, enough's enough. We're heading back to the upside. So that's the 53.97 level. All-time highs very likely tomorrow. Weekly time frame extremely strong. Very normal and healthy consolidation occurred. And I look at the bull move that we had to the upside and the amount of consolidation. We gave back about 10% of that bull move just visually. That's always when I look for the kind of consolidation. And when I refer to it as normal and healthy, I am comparing it to the bull move on the way up. So continuation to the upside, extremely strong. Looking to end the week on a strong note. Very bullish. Apple. Also strong consolidation, low volume, decreasing bear volume. Bulls bought the dip today and closed up near the high, trying to see a higher low form, holding the middle Bollinger Band support of 142.94, and our new base of support, we bit two lows the last 2 days in the 143.30s. This is a very bullish consolidation at this point. We would have to lose the middle Bollinger Band in order for it to be anything other than normal and healthy, and we are looking back up towards the all-time high. We are looking for Apple to be a bit of a laggard because Facebook, Google, Amazon, everybody else is hitting all-time highs. Apple is not yet. That being said, Apple was the strongest name to the upside. We'll see here in a minute on the weekly. But that all-time high resistance, we've got 145.46. Also looking at resistance of 144.90. So trying to establish a base of support and continued through those levels. Weekly time frame, this is what I was talking about. Apple, since November, has been one of the lead bulls in the tech sector by far. The magnitude of the move we saw to the upside was huge. And we're just consolidating here. Now we're taking a breather. The other bulls are catching up. So we'll see if the Apple bulls see another leg to the upside. And we'll see if the tech sector strength tomorrow can help them do so. Facebook, extremely strong. And we're seeing a gap up open likely tomorrow because of the after-hours reaction to the tech earnings that we saw come out. Close at the all-time high, above the upper Bollinger Band 4 days in a row. And we're looking up towards 148, 149, 150 psychological resistance levels as the bulls keep running. We have a bit of a base of support now in the low 146s the past 2 days, bouncing off those levels, 146.09, 146.14. Bulls in absolute full control of Facebook. Bull flag confirmed with continuation. Cannot have a stronger looking daily chart than what we currently have on Facebook. Bulls are in absolute full control. Tech sector bulls in control. We'll see if the Amazon and Google bulls can hold their gap up gains tomorrow. Big day for the tech sector. Big year for the tech sector. That's what we've got heading into the weekend. I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you then.